Hey everyone, this is Asian Princess. I'm going to do your first Japanese lesson, and first off we're going to learn vocabulary words. Today's word in Japanese is going to be cat. I love cats. Cats are just so amazing, and they're just really unique and very independent, and calico cats are very beautiful. When I was in camp, I finally got to see a calico cat for the first time, and she was really beautiful. So anyway, the Japanese word for cat is neko. Neko. Ne-ko. Neko. That's how you say cat in Japanese. So if you have a cat and you can't decide what to name it, for the girl you can always name her Neko-chan. Chan is used for young girls when their name is addressed in Japanese. So that is my suggestion if you have a female cat and you want to name her something very unique and very beautiful. Anyway, hope you guys are doing well, and I will talk to you guys later.